Shut your door so you don't get that bee in there. I'm not wearing perfume.
Whoa.
Saw smoke.
Yeah, seen the smoke come out the front.
Bear.
Oh, yeah.
Bear.
Bear.
Bear, come here.
Okay.
Come on.
You want me to get Thunder? Or
Yeah.
is she gonna
Come on,
follow?
Thunder.
She'll come.
Okay, we're gonna.
Okay, we're gonna
they
go.
were over
Come
at
on.
Grandpa's.
Come on.
David and the kids are at Grandpa's, and they
Go.
are out at the pool now.
They were out at Great Grandpa's.
Yeah. Now they're out at the pool.
Oh, I thought they went to the pool a long time
I don't
ago.
know.